You busy tonight?
You want to turn, eh?
My mum leaves at 9.
See you at 10.
So where'd you get it from anyway?
Apparently it was the hand of someone who could connect with the dead.
I heard it was the hand of a Satanist. The other hand's just out there.
White people shit, man, I tell you.
All right, let's do this! You know the drill. Say, talk to me.
Talk to me.
Haley, fucking stop it, he's choking!
83 seconds, get it off him!
What the hell?
What if we opened the door but we didn't shut it?
Delete it. Delete it, come on!
The spirits, they followed us.
We have to do something! You want to do it again?
They're not gonna stop.
What was it?
What? I don't know!
I let you in. I let you in. Oh my God.